What's going on, guys? So today I wanted to do an unboxing or re-unboxing, since I already opened it and tested it for fitment, of this knockoff SDI shift knob that I bought from eBay. Now, I bought this for $15.88, and the reason I'm making this video is because I was blown away by the quality of it. And I have my shift knobs here. I use this one on a daily basis. It's my favorite one. Can't remember what year of STI it's from, but it's a fully titanium shift knob. It's by far the best one I've ever had on the car. And I have the other ones right here that I've used in the past. This one's just came factory with the car, and this one is the Delrin shift knob by Grimspeed. And I just wanted to compare the looks and height of it to this one, so you guys get a good reference. And what I thought was funny was that this product number right here actually is the right product number to a shift knob, the STI OEM shift knob. And so they got the looks of it right, and you can't even tell it's a knockoff from afar. It looks legit from here. But yeah, with that said, let's go ahead and open it. Usually I don't open my stuff like that, but it's $15. I can't really care too much about it. All right, so inside comes with these brass adapters. We're not really going to use it just because it's a direct fit. And actually that brings me to my point. The reason why I thought the quality of it was really good is that, one, it looks legit. It looks and feels legit. And they even have the etched STI logo on top of it. So that's always a benefit. And here's what I was really surprised at, is that it's a direct fit. So meaning you don't need any adapters or any of those, if those of you who've bought those cheap, very cheap shift knobs, you know, on your Ricers back in the day. I mean, I had one too, so you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. It's these cheap adapters that you have to put on the actual shifter, and then you screw the sides on there with really small screws, usually an Allen wrench, and then you put the shift knob on there. So it doesn't have any of that. And you know, for $15 it looks legit. I honestly, I don't have any complaints about it. And also it comes with these little stickers here. These are for the center console. No, they don't go on top of the shift knob like that. That's what everyone thinks, but I think they're for the older cars usually. Like, you put them on the center console, so you know exactly, you know, the shift gate pattern or whatever gear you're in. So that's a nice benefit. I'll probably use this one, to be honest. I really like that. But back to the shift knob. So it didn't specify the weight or the material on the posting, on the eBay posting. I'll put that in the description so you guys will see exactly what I bought. But as far as material goes, it is similar to the Delrin one. I don't want to say it's Delrin because I'm not sure what it is, but it's pretty similar to this in terms of material and weight. So this weighs in at 120 grams, and this one, if not 120, then around 115-ish. They're pretty similar in terms of weight. But as far as looks go, surprisingly enough, it looks very similar to the OEM one that came with my car. So it has the shape, except the height. This one's obviously a little taller than the stock one, but this one's way heavier. This one weighs in at 255 grams, just for reference. And when I stack them side by side, this is how they go. And I'm on my makeshift table right here with some Amazon lights, so forgive me if it's a little uneven, but yeah. Now, I don't know how long the paint's gonna last on this, but the fact that it's etched in there instead of just painted is a plus for me. I really, like, I'm blown away by this. So let's go ahead and put it on the car and see what it looks like. All right, so we made our way into the car. Hopefully you guys can see this and it's not too dark in here. I tried my best with the lighting right here next to me. So here's the shift knob, and again, it requires no adapter, so it's a direct fit, which is why I'm making this video. So let's go ahead and install it. And it tends to stop right here, but there's nothing wrong with putting a little bit of pressure on there and straightening it out. So that's what it looks like. And the reverse lockout works pretty well. There's no scrapes or anything. It doesn't lock it, or it doesn't scrape up against the sides of it, so that's always a plus. And for $15, honestly, you can't go wrong. It feels pretty solid. However, if If you're a fan of the heavier shift knobs, I'll stay away from this one just because it's pretty light. It's a lightweight shift knob, but you know, for me, it's not like I'm slamming in any gear. So I don't really mind the lightweight of it. And also, if I zoom in right here, there's no exposed metal. You can't see the actual shifter. So that's a benefit of it, is it is measured correctly and it fits correctly. Oh, and I almost forgot. So this sticker right here, I don't really need it, but I might put it on, I don't know, maybe right here, or I'm not sure yet. Oh, and I don't think I mentioned this earlier, but it's not a smooth finish. If you guys can hear that, that's my fingernail scratching against the material. So it's not a smooth finish. It's, imagine like a metal shift knob with all the lines on there. So that's what this is. That's the texture of it. So yeah, just a quick video for today. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments box below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.